friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Browt from Pokemon Wind and Waves, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started right in the center, and we're going to curve this line out and over towards the left, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Let's start again from that point on the top. We're just going to curve this around and in towards the middle, mirroring that on the opposite side. Let's step up again right in the center, just curving this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come underneath. From that point, we're going to arch this down, tucking that into the center. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving this around and in. Now on the top, we're just going to arch this up, tucking that down on the right, and then coming underneath, curving this down, tucking that back up. For the tongue, we're going to close this off, curving this over. And now let's draw on our eyes. So stepping in here, we're just going to round this out, drawing in a nice big circle, curving this all the way around and in to the top. We'll mirror that on the opposite side, curving this around and back in. Now from here, coming down slightly on this line, we're just going to round this out. So we're going to curve this up, tucking that back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now on the top, let's draw in a circle for that highlight. And then we'll just color in the pupil of the eye black. Let's move up now for the top of the head. We're going to, from here, we're going to curve this around and over to the right, leaving a gap. We're going to leave another small gap, curving this around, arching that back down. On the left-hand side, we're going to tuck this in, curving this down, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're just going to draw some small feathers coming up above here. So stepping in on this line, we're going to round this out, curving this across, and then from that point, tucking this back in. We're going to come up again, curving this out. And then from that point, rounding this out, tucking that in. Let's move even further down, curving this across. And then again, just curving this around and in to the top. Let's come down now for the arms. So we're going to step in from this line on a diagonal, and we're going to curve this out, connecting that, tucking this around, pulling that in. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right, curving this around, tucking that in. Now moving underneath on this line, curving this over and up. Let's come across right in the middle here. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line. We'll step out on either side, tucking that out. Let's round out the body underneath. So underneath here, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving that back up. Now from here, closing off the side, we're just going to curve this around and tucking that in. Let's draw on the leg. So from the middle, stepping out, we're going to bring this line straight down on either side. And then for the foot here, we're just going to bring this line out, tucking that back in. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal, tucking that back up. And then again, one more time, bringing this line out and in. And then we're going to kind of just curve this up slightly. Now let's come up, curving this line down. Let's move across, replicating that. And then replicating that again once more. And that is it. That's how you draw Browt from Pokemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.